Morning folks, we're here at the Corbridge Steam Rally up in Northumberland, and a good selection of Masseys here. This is the one that used to belong to my brother, a bit scruffy back then, but it's got on the back of it, let's have a wander round the back of this 165 with a post knocker on, and it's got a nice restored lime spreader on the back of it. There's that lovely, I've seen this before, this 434, really lovely little thing, had a cracking 5,000 in the background. But there's this really nice lime spreader, Atkinson's of Clitheroe. They must have supplied it originally, but it's all been restored into a really top-notch condition. Yeah, that's looking good, and it looks great on the back of the 165. Let's have another look around here. So there we go. It's painted up with the Dale's Agri logo, and there they are sitting having their breakfast live on Facebook. You're live on the internet now, boys. You're broadcasting to the world. Well, actually 5 people, sorry. But at least somebody's watching. Is that the other? Is that the other one that was our Stewart's? No. No, that's the 165, isn't it?
165, the 35 is down here.
All right, it's down there, is it? So yeah, it is a nice lime spreader, mate.
Hey?
It is a nice lime spreader, isn't it?
Good job. It's an old one, I know.
Right, how old is that?
I was going to ask Charlie, but if you look on the
70s, I think he said.
on the plate on the back, the telephone number, it's 07 something. It's not 01.
Right.
So it's
That's a while back, isn't it?
That's a good while back.
Right. It'll never be used again, though, will it, after getting it in that condition?
Oh no.
You wouldn't dare put lime in it.
You want to see the things he sells, Christ, they're huge.
Right. Aye, well, you see them now, they're massive,
You
aren't
put
they?
that inside the new ones he's got.
Yeah.
And Hensel's got. They're all Irish built now, though.
Right. No, nice stuff. Oh, nice John Deere.
That's one of Michael's.
Well, the bin's still very much
Is it?
It's under, if you just
under there. So I'll put a couple in there. I'll get it in a minute.
Is that one of his, is it?
George, one of Michael's,
Right. Oh well. Great stuff. Right, we'll come back to this later. Hiya Lee, are you alright? How are you doing? Somebody watching that I know. Bloody hell, what are you doing watching tractors, lad? We'll give you another look at them as we walk down here. You want to get yourself up here, Lee? Bring the bairns. They like tractors, don't they? That's the other one. That's the 35 that was our Stewart's a long time ago when he had the little farm up at Edmund Byers. But now there's the 275. That's one of the first tractors that I ever drove many years ago. Muck spreading I was doing with it, smashing thing. So yeah, just a nostalgia overload once again whenever you come to these events. That Field Marshal, that was probably one of the first dinky toys I ever had, I think, was a Field Marshal. Fantastic things. But anyway, we're going to have to just cut this off now because Pauline's sitting there somewhere with a cup of tea for me and she'll be whinging. There's Porsche 1 and Porsche 2. And these lads have a great time here. It's a big social for them. Isn't it, Richard? It's just a big social. Exactly, have a grand time. Okay, we'll be back onto this later. Bye for now.